나와줘 끝까지가 좀 my lover.
Hey everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today I'll be reacting to two people I have already known, but these two people that I have known, they have done a song singularly. But I've met up on this collab and I'm excited to check out this collab. Right? So a guy called Doko Yonso, also known as D.O., and Ayu. Bro, I've known Ayu like from last year, and that female have some very good vocals. Her vocals is out of this world. Likewise Doko Yonso or D.O. Okay, so the song that I'll be reacting to, it's called Love Wins All. I think I've known this song before, but I never yet heard these two sing this song with their beautiful vocals. I'm excited to hear what they have to say in this track. So, without further ado, let's see what's up. Peace. One thing I always respect about these people, these wonderful artists, it's that their piano playing skills are amazing, right? Their music skills are amazing, and it's always so breathtaking while you're watching them sing and performing their music. It's always so breathtaking to hear these pianists play these pianos. It's magical. One thing I like about Mr. D.O. here is that his vocals are magical. It's so magical that when you listen to it, you feel the magic flowing through your body. Likewise, Miss Ayu, she's amazing. Both of them are amazing.
Dearest darling, my universe, 날 데려가 줄래.
See what I'm talking about? The magical voice. Every time this man sings, I feel so relaxed, so complexed, right? Because he have done nothing but bars. Magical vocals. Vocals that when you sit and you listen and you meditate, it brings you back so much nostalgia that you have to say, wow, wonderful.
나의 이 가난한 상상력으로 떠올릴 수 없는 곳으로.
This is what I call a good music. A music with life. A music that is very substantial. Something that I can relate to. Something that I can feel. Trust me, they are way too magical for our purpose.
저기 멀리 from us to Mars 꼭 같이 가줄래.
When we speak of singing, we have to include them, right? They do not just contain vocals. They have some really good singing skills. They are so calm, but giving bars.
그곳이 어디든 오랜 외로움 그 반대말을 찾아서.
This is greatness. This is a major achievement. This is success. And I love to see people who have such amazing talent putting that talent into use. Trust me.
어떤 실수로 이토록 우리는 함께일까. 세상에게서 도망쳐요 너. 나와줘 끝까지 가줘 my lover.
outstanding. The level that he's on right now, it's unmatched.
나쁜 결말일까 길 잃은 우리 둘
Superb voice, bro. Wonderful.
부서지도록 나를 꼭 안아 더 사랑이 내게 맞춰
There are something phenomenal. There are something that we should able to sit and we can listen to, right? We can't just stand here and not feeling that voice. Oh my God, let's continue.
Love is a love is a love love.
Yo, this is a magician. Because ain't no way his voice is doing such beautiful things, magical things. Oh my God. Wow, when you speak about the music earlier, the instrumental, the beats, right? I didn't mention the violinist. That is a wonderful tune. The violinist is doing such an amazing job. Wow, this entire production here is a masterpiece.
결국 그런
Wow, 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 bro. Well done, bro. Well done.
매도 어째서 우리는 서로일까 세상에게서 도망쳐너 나와 적들까지 가져 my lover.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, this level is a very magnificent level. Wow. I am impressed with this level. Damn. Damn, bro.
나쁜 결말일까 길 잃은 우리 둘.
Wow. Wow. With such amazing position, I think he's in first place. He's a championship right now. Believe you me, he's a championship right now.
천천히 너를 두 눈에 담아 한 번 더 편안히 웃어주려.
Oh my God, right now at this point, I'm eager to hear what Ayu have to say because she seems so calmly. That means she's gonna display something magical. Trust me on that.
유용하듯 떠오르는 그날 그 밤처럼 나와.
Beautiful vocals, bro. Oh my God. This is terrific, man. This is terrific.
함께 겁없이 저물어줄래.
Whoa. 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 Beautiful. Just beautiful.
상상이 나를 도망쳐왜 너와 슬퍼지고 싶어 my lover.
And oh, terrific this can ever get. Because, you know, the voice itself, the musical beats themselves, they are perfect. It is so good. So good. I should give them my props, bro. I should give them my props because this is 1 in a billion.
비련에게서도 망쳐와 넌 나와줘 끝까지가 좀 멀어봐
Yo, terrific. Just magically terrific. Oh my god, yo, that's one of the most beautiful duet I've heard in my life, bro. In my life, man. Oh my goodness. Hey. I wanna continue.
일부러 나란히 기른 우리 두 사람 부서지도록 나를 꼬가나 또 사랑이 내게 입 맞춰봐
Oh. I'm gonna explode, bro. Oh my god. Hey, I've known she can sing, but when the two of them do that duet thing, that's impressive. That's impressive.
love, feels of love, feels of love, love.
Oh god, bro. I have to give them a round of applause for that. I have to. Because for once, I thought she was never gonna do anything. But she have now proven herself. Damn. This music is very beautiful. This is like a couple months old, but it's never too late for a show of rain, man. Trust me. This is a great thing to listen to. I can encourage anyone to go and listen to this music because it's a music to die for. Amazing. Look, if you guys enjoy this reaction, please remember, leave a like on the video. And if you guys have any form of suggestions that you guys want me to check out next, please leave them down in the comments and I'll be happy to give my 2 cents on that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching and stay safe, walk good, always give thanks for life, and peace.